In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a CV in Google Docs. So the first thing you want to do is to go to docs.google.com and log into your Docs account. And then you want to click Template Gallery. And inside here you have some resume or CV templates. You can choose whatever you want, and you want to go inside each and every one of them to check what you want to use. I'm just going to use this one. And inside here you want to edit all of this. So I'm just going to edit this real quick. Now I have edited this CV or resume template to fit my needs to the job I'm going to apply for, and then I want to click File, and I want to download it in the format that I want to have. And if you don't want to download it, it is automatically saved inside your Google Docs. So this is really how to make a CV in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.